Hello YouTube friends, this is PJ. So you want to build your own home. How about building something like this? A modern, open space, living area over the garage. It's about 1,300 square feet with a 2-car garage. Very nice, very user-friendly and affordable for the do-it-yourself builder. I've been building this home for 2 years and documented all the steps, and I want to take you on a tour, a quick tour, and show you. Maybe you're building your home to downsize. Maybe you're building your first home. Maybe you want to build a second home on your property, or build a home while you're getting ready to build a giant home. This is a good idea for you. So let me take you in. So this one comes into an open foyer area that takes you to the front door or up the steps. We'll go up there, upstairs, into a big open concept living area. But downstairs we put a nice guest bedroom with a full bath. And there will eventually be a deck out there. So you could do a lockout, and somebody could be in this and have their own space. So let's go upstairs. We made extra wide stairs. You could put the stairs outside if you wanted to save space. And this goes up into a big, expansive living area that has the kitchen and dining area and seating area all together. So let's take a look at the kitchen. It's got a big open counter area, and you can really expand the space that you have here to use by putting a deck on. So we put a 12 by 28 square foot deck, so it really opens up the living area for when you have guests. But I'm going to talk about building the deck and siding and getting your plans and permits together. See, this is very user-friendly to build. It's a shed roof, so your roof covers the living area and the garage, and it's all on the same foundation. So it really is a high efficient design and very affordable and a lot easier to build. So let's go inside. I'm going to show you created the laundry area in a hall, in a large hall that takes you to the bathroom and the master bedroom. So the master bedroom has a nice picture window and then a nice high windows over a bed area, closet. And I'm showing you this quickly because I'm going to do details. If you leave comments and questions out the bottom of things you'd like me to share, I'd be happy to do that. Because I want to help you build your dream home. Maybe you're just starting out and you're trying to build something affordable just to get you going. I'm going to be talking about tankless water heaters and efficient gas fireplaces, and also going to be able to put my plans that we've designed online and going to make those available for a very affordable charge. These are the plans that will get you on the road there, probably at least get you halfway there. But these plans have been approved, and this is where my building plans. It's got the foundation, the framing, the decks, plumbing, electrical. It even has a material list that I'm including in it. So, and also I'm going to be talking about in some of my future videos, if you subscribe and follow along, how to lay your plans out on your plot plan. So I know that when you're just starting out, you need a lot of help. So I'm going to try to help people that want to build their own home. So this is PJ. I hope that you decide to come along for the journey. Go ahead and subscribe, give a thumbs up, and wait for future videos. I should be doing about a video at least once a week, maybe twice a week. Thanks for watching. Happy building.